So let's move on, viewers. In a bold, symbolic and administrative reset, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today unveiled Seva Tirth, the new power hub of India's governance, signaling a decisive break from colonial-era administration and ushering in a new chapter of modern people-centric rule. Seva Tirth will serve as the nerve center of the Indian government, bringing the Prime Minister's office, the National Security Council Secretariat and the Cabinet Secretariat under one roof for the first time. The Prime Minister will formally inaugurate Seva Tirth along with Kartavya Bhavan 1 and 2 and address a public program. Also, he addressed it at around 6 p.m. this evening and calling it a landmark moment. The government said the move represents a transformational leap in India's governance architecture designed to deliver speed, coordination and efficiency in decision-making at the highest level. Now, Kartavya Bhavan 1 and 2 will house some of the country's most powerful ministries, including finance, defense, health, corporate affairs, education, law, information and broadcasting, agriculture, chemicals and fertilizers, and tribal affairs, ending decades of fragmented functioning across aging offices in the Central Vista zone. And for years, viewers, scattered offices, mounting maintenance costs and coordination bottlenecks slowed administrative work. But thanks to Seva Tirth, now all of this will be fast-tracked. Seva Tirth and the Kartavya Bhavan aim to change this particular narrative, consolidating governance into integrated, future-ready complexes built for seamless workflow and sharper inter-ministerial coordination. Equipped with digitally integrated offices, centralized reception systems and dedicated public interface zones, the complexes are designed to enhance both administrative efficiency and also citizen engagement. Built with a 4-star Griha sustainability standards, they feature renewable energy systems, water conservation measures, advanced waste management and high-performance green architecture. Security has also been significantly upgraded with smart access controls, extensive surveillance networks and advanced emergency response systems, ensuring safety for officials and visitors alike. The naming of Seva Tirth is part of Modi government's larger mission, viewers, since 2014 to shed colonial-era symbols and vestiges and even language, from Rajpath becoming Kartavya Path to Racecourse Road being renamed as Lok Kalyan Marg and Raj Bhavans rechristened as Lok Bhavan or Lok Niwas. The message is very clear. India's governance is being reimagined, rebranded and realigned with the spirit of service and duty.
आज हम सभी एक नए इतिहास को बनते देख रहे हैं। आज विक्रम संवत 2082 फाल्गुन कृष्ण पक्ष विजया एकादशी, ये महत्वपूर्ण शुभ दिन माघ 24 शक संवत 1947 का पुण्य अवसर और आज की प्रचलित भाषा में कहूं तो 13 फरवरी का ये दिन भारत की विकास यात्रा में एक नए आरंभ का साक्षी बन रहा है। हमारे शास्त्रों में विजया एकादशी का बहुत महत्व रहा है। इस दिन जिस संकल्प के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं उसमें विजय अवश्य प्राप्त होती है। आज हम सभी भी विकसित भारत का संकल्प लेकर सेवा तीर्थ में, कर्तव्य भवन में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। अपने लक्ष्य में विजयी होने का दैवीय आशीर्वाद हमारे साथ है।